Welcome to the presentation Applications of Road Weather Forecasts. My name is Ida-Retta Viranjoki and I work as an account manager at the Finnish Meteorological Institute. This presentation has been prepared by Finnish Meteorological Institute within the Green InterTraffic project funded by the European Union, the Russian Federation and the Republic of Finland. In this presentation, we will go through the different road weather activities which have been performed in this Green InterTraffic project. We will go through the implementation of the road weather models on the road E18, as well as the road weather products developed within this project. At the end, I will also give you some examples how to use road weather products as a part of your decision-making process. Road weather activities in Green InterTraffic consist of road weather forecast, observations and precipitation forecasts. And why are those so important? Well, as we all know, weather conditions can cause difficult driving conditions, especially during winter time. The E18 road between Helsinki and St. Petersburg has a northern location which could lead that there are snowy, icy and other kind of difficult driving conditions, especially during winter time. This leads to possibly having decreased transport safety and then on the other hand increasing travel times. However, with real-time and high-quality road weather observations and forecasts, we can optimize our road maintenance operations and then also increase the road users' preparedness for the harsh driving conditions. Within Green InterTraffic project, Finnish Meteorological Institute and Institute of Radar Meteorology, IRAM, have been cooperating and enhancing the road weather information along E18. And what we have done, we have combined the road weather information from Finland and Russia to the project website so that it is available for all road users, such as road transport or tourists or simply citizens living in the border areas. So these road weather activities actually will benefit the whole sector of road transport as they have more information about road weather available. And what have we done to enhance the road weather information along E18? So first of all, because we wanted to combine the road weather information from Finland and Russia to one specific place, we started exchanging weather data between IRAM and FMI. This weather data that we exchange includes road weather observations, forecasts and weather radar observations. Then we combined the road weather's observation from both sides of the border, and then we also started producing road weather forecasts to the E18 road by two different road weather models. Also, we created precipitation maps including weather radar observations and precipitation forecasts. Both the road weather and precipitation maps will be published, or actually they already have been published in the project webpage and are therefore available for all road users and, for example, the road maintenance operators. One very important thing is that the users understand the information they are searching for. So, which is why we have created this e-learning module to enhance the understanding of the road weather information. A few words about the implementation of the road weather models on the road E18. Here we have a map consisting of the E18 road between Helsinki and St. Petersburg, which have been marked to the map with the red dots. Blue dots are road weather stations located along the E18 road. We have 15 road weather stations in Finland and then 7 in Russia. We have gathered the information from the road weather stations to the website. The road weather observations in Finland are provided by Traffic Management Finland, and similarly the road weather observations in Russia are provided by Federal Highway Administration Northwest and the Smirnov Federal Road Agency. Road weather forecasts, on the other hand, have been produced by FMI road weather model in Finland and IRAM Meteotrassa in Russia. We have combined 2 hours of road weather observations with a 10-minute time step and 4 hours of road weather forecast also with 10-minute time step. The forecast consists of road surface temperature and road surface condition along with air temperature. We have used the road weather observation as an input data in the road weather models. All the road weather information is usable and feasible for all users in the project website, which can be found by going to en.greenintertraffic.ru/medio/nowcasting. All information is open to all road users. We have gathered there road surface temperature and condition maps and precipitation maps. And now I would like to show you some examples of the nowcasting on the road E18, which has the information about the road surface condition and road surface temperature forecasts and observations. Here we have in this graph an example forecast for Virolahti road weather station located in Finland. We have air temperature with the red line, road temperature with the green line, dew point temperature with the blue line. And the graph shows the daily forecast for each parameter. The different kind of precipitation maps consists of weather radar and precipitation forecasts. First, we have a map called Precipitation Forecast Map, which shows the hourly accumulated precipitation as measured by the weather radars located in St. Petersburg and then 3 weather radars in Finland. We have also used a precipitation forecast created using the weather radar data. Then we also have a model precipitation forecast map, which shows the precipitation forecast for the following 4 hours using numerical weather model provided by FMI. Next, I will show you an example how you can combine the different information we have combined to the web page. So what happens when precipitation is rain or snow? For example, when we have rain and the road surface temperature is above 0, the road condition will be wet. There will be water on the road surface. But if the road surface temperature is near 0, it is difficult to forecast the road surface condition on the road. So beware, there could be some ice. But then if the road surface temperature is below 0, it is most likely that the road is icy. So driving condition is icy. But then on the other hand, if we have snow falling and the road surface temperature is above 0, it is most likely that the road surface condition is wet or moist and there will be water on the road surface. Similarly as with the rain, if the road surface temperature is near 0, it is difficult to forecast at which point will the snow actually freeze to the road surface. But then, if the road surface temperature is below 0, we most likely have snow on the road. And of course, the more long-lasting the snowfall is, the more we have snow on the road surface. So, what to take into account when you are making decisions whether to actually start your trip now or maybe a bit later. So, by going through our web page products, please at least bear in mind these two things: that if the road surface temperature is near 0, be aware there could be ice on the road if the road surface is moist or wet. And then also, if the road surface temperature and air temperature are both near 0 and we have precipitation, be aware that it could lead into icy or snowy roads. So by combining this information, you can plan your trip and actions according to avoid the worst driving conditions. And now I will go through the products on our webpage. The address is en.greenintertraffic.ru/meteo/nowcasting, and then this map opens. Each of the boxes represents a road weather station. The color of the box represents the road surface condition observed on the road. Here we have the different road surface condition classes, so it could be dry, moist, wet, frost, snowy, icy, and so on. And then we have two different temperatures. And if we click on the box, we can see that we have the air temperature, road surface temperature, and so on. And then we can also see that we have the timeline here underneath the map, and we can click on specific time to see, for example, the forecast for the next time step. So now it's shown here. We have the air temperature, road surface temperature, and road condition. And then by clicking this daily schedule, we will see the following 24-hour forecast for, first of all, for air temperature, road surface temperature with the green one, and then dew point with the blue line. For example, we can see that over here the air temperature goes below the dew point temperature. Then we can also see the precipitation forecast for the following 24 hours, and we can see that there is some rain coming up over here. And then we can also see the wind speed forecast. And similarly, for example, over here, the wind speed is increasing. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. For more information, please visit our website at the euem.greenintertraffic.ru. Thank you.